Welcome back, guys, hope you're good. Welcome back to today's little short vlogging video. Guys, I'm going to make this one a little bit shorter, purely because we ramble on sometimes. But guys, if you haven't checked out, please check back our previous videos. This is like a mini vlogging series about life in our bird room. We breed budgies and canaries and all that good stuff. So we breed loads of different types of birds, that sort of thing. So we didn't show these guys yesterday, but today my friends have just wanted to show them. There are be about 2 or 3 week old budgies now. Their dad unfortunately died, everyone. Unfortunately, it's such a shame. I'll just come in one morning, he was just lying on the floor. We did a cleaning video a couple of days time, guys. We're just going to clean all the bottom of that, don't worry. There's blue over there. The brother of this one, I'm going to call him a boy now. The brother of this one and that little one in there. That budgie's escaped, I'm not even joking. Right, I've got to look for that budgie in a minute. Where's it gone? There was 2, and now there's 1. There, he's right at the bottom. But we'll get him in a minute. So yeah, these are a few week old budgies. Absolutely stunning colours. Look at that. It's like a spangle or opal line with the faintest blue all over the body. Guys, we'll need names for them, of course. We're going to keep these guys. So if you do have any name suggestions, please go and pop it down below in the comments. That'd be ace. Also in the description of this video, my friends, if you scroll down in the description, we've got the current names that people have suggested. So thank you so much for those. Ace. Very pretty, aren't you? Yeah, guys, we're just trying to do this short vlogging series, we're calling it, because we're he wants to climb now, look. He had enough on my hand, right? Let's try again. There you go. Ta-da! Very pretty. Look, even the blues come through in the wings. See the flecking on the wings, look? Absolutely beautiful bird. Thank you for that. But yeah, we should carry on trying to hand tame this one, perhaps. He's more perceptible to it. His friend there at the back. The pale yellow one next to blue on the little perch there, that's the older one of these chicks. Already fledged, already sort of in the nest, in the big aviary even. It's going to be a cockbird. I think he's a cock, you know. Look at blue standing up. So we had a couple of birds here, guys. We've paired these up together at the minute. They are getting very friendly. Very friendly. Although they don't look friendly at the moment. They're getting very friendly like these are. He's relatively new, that one there. He's got a brother down below there. There he is. They're like twins. We brought them from the same place. It's very nice. We've had yellow face budgies before. Really nice. They turn out to be really nice. You're just nice all around, aren't you? Should we call you? Can't call you blue. We've already got a blue. There's big blue down there. Can't call you blue as well, can we? We keep all different types of birds, guys. Mainly smaller birds at the moment, just because of our restricted on space, that sort of thing. So we keep budgies, canaries and finches, and we've got a pair of diamond doves at the top right of your screen right now. Yeah, you're really nice, aren't you? Let's get you in the light and show off all your lovely colours. Wait, whoa. Yeah, their dad was a stunner, honestly. He was a really nice bird. He was like a rainbow budgie. And Mom's the yellow one over there, down the right hand side. Look on the perch right now. That's Mom. We had a thing, we left them in the nest box over there. Well, the nest box is there now. But the nest box was in between those. See up there, guys? You can't really see because of the cage wire there. But next to that box on the left hand side was that nest box. And this budgie inside here, let's see if she'll come out here there. She's naughty. She got inside there and pecked them all. This one wasn't, they weren't very well, so we had to take them away. But you've done a cracking job, aren't you, mate? It's just, we should carry on hand tame this one. I don't normally hand tame birds, but he likes it. Nice big eyes. Not showbirds, of course, guys. Nothing nowhere near as good as that. Big Blue. I think Big Blue used to be a showbird. So yeah, zebra finches are on chicks at the minute in that little nest box there. We've got some chicks in this one here. Although we did have a spell of chicks being thrown from nests, which was horrible. That wasn't very nice at all. So I don't know why that was happening or anything like that. But guys, if you're new around here, make sure you're liking the video. It'd be cool. And if you mind subscribing down below, guys, for more of these type of videos. We do also put out fully edited videos about specific things like how to set up lovebird cages and how to, you know, set up breeding cages for different types of birds and, you know, all that lovebird care, how to trim nails, how to DNA sex birds. We do all different types of videos. I keep showing this guy because he's just sitting so well, aren't you? And why ruin a good thing, ladies and gents? Why ruin a good thing? If it's going well, look at the minute, we'll carry on. Can you see on the top of his head at the minute? Can we see on the top of your head? No. There, the little red dot. That was actually like all the feathers were plucked from there by that bird. She wasn't very nice. But I don't know what to do with it at the minute. I don't know if to rehome her. I might just try and find a pet home for her, but I don't really fancy putting a male with her again. Stunning these. Really nice birds. That's how you teach them to step up, guys. You just move your finger underneath them when they're coming towards you and go, step up. And then that's how you teach them. But we're not trying to train these ones. So yeah, so we breed budgies. That's a holding cage at the minute. This is our main flight for a period, guys, for this season's breeding, if you like. We were trying to go with like colony breeding or an aviary breeding thing, but it's not worked out. I wouldn't bother again. For next year, I really wouldn't bother. The zebras are alright. They've had a clutch of chicks and that sort of thing, but there's mom and dad seeing the little white one there. And his hen's one of the lighter ones. I think she's there. On the perch right now, next to that cockbird there. And there's a pair of diamond doves there as well. But you're just lovely, aren't you? You are. This is nice today to do a little show and tell about you, isn't it? You like it. I'll get your brother out, but he's a bit grumpy. Nice feathers. Look at those feathers. You know, pretty bird, pretty pet bird, pretty pet budgie. You're nice. What should we call this one? Have you got any names, guys? If you've got any name suggestions for this bird in particular, go ahead and pop them down below. What should we call him? We can't call him Blue. We've already got a blue budgie. I'd go with Sky. How about Sky? Sky's a great name. What do you think, Sky? Do you like your name? Is that okay? Would that be good if we called you Sky? You're like, oh, I can't be light up there. It's a bit bright. He's really good, look. This is the way I do it, guys. Show them that there's no fear at all in coming next to humans. Show them. And if you can't train them this way, guys, if you can't get them young enough, best to get something really, really nice that they like. Pop different things in their little cages. Find something they love, whether it be millet spray or a piece of apple or anything at all. Pop that on your hand. Leave it inside the cage with a scared bird and leave it there, guys. Don't move your hand. Keep it nice and still. It might take time, guys, but trust me, you can teach an old bird new tricks. You can. The truck is near that light is like, woo! I'm sorry. But guys, yeah, it's cool doing these videos for you. I really enjoy it. I don't know why I keep sharing that one. We should share more of these, but look a big blue over there. Never had a chick off that bird ever. Not even an egg. Not even a hint of an egg. Definitely a hen, but I've never had an egg off her or nothing. Just never bothered. But yeah, a few days, guys. We probably won't put a video out now for a couple of days, maybe. I might do one tomorrow, but definitely not Sunday. We're busy Sunday. I'll have to do a 500 mile round trip Sunday. Careful. 500 mile round trip Sunday. So I probably won't be putting any videos out this coming weekend, But please check up on this playlist and this little vlogging series. I'm not trying to edit these videos massively, guys, so well done. I'm not trying to edit these videos massively, so if you don't mind a bit of shaky footage, everyone, then there you go. It lets me put out more content and it lets me be more thorough with it all rather than just picking best bits, which is what a lot of people do, which is fine, but it's nice for you guys to get a raw video and a raw clip. Okay, we're gonna put this one back. You've been great, you've been a star. Should we put you back? You like it though, don't you? Can't be walk about with you all day. Let them step off it. Look, there you go. We'll get the mate down here. Look, there's a little one down there. There you go. It's not so bad, is it? Not so bad. After we finish with the round of chicks, guys, empty the nest boxes, clean them. I wash them in like proper bird cleaning product, and then leave them outside to dry if it's warm enough. If not, I just put them in a radiator to dry, and then fill them back up with a bit of sawdust, and they're good to go. But from me, guys, let's put this little one back. Can you just step off nicely into a little hole there, or no? Let's land on the crest instead. There we go. Hello. I'll get him back in his box now. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put, because they're leaving the nest box now, guys, what we do is we put lots more food on the floor of our aviary, because if they leave, they can't get up high, maybe they can't fly, let's put them back in then. Ow. There we go. Cool. But guys, well, you see me bang my head on everything. I'll bang my head on everything. Literally. But I'm going to get up and have a quick tidy up, guys. There's no need for you to watch that today. But as always, guys, thank you so much. Love you all, man. Thank you, as always, for stopping by Aviary Guru's channel. Thank you so much, man. I do have a website, it's aviaryguru.com. There's like past videos and links to bits and bobs and all that sort of stuff. But yeah, if you don't mind liking the video, subscribe down below, turn notifications, and my friends, I shall see you next time, okay? Lovely to have you on the channel again. Bye! I'll add this bit onto the end. This is where all the canaries sit all the while, look. Outside, in the open. It's like a little bob hole, I think just going to get a bit of rain if they want. We've just popped, that's like a dandelion in there. So yeah, I'll fill that little pot up and I have a bath out there as well. So this is just an adder.